allmegalayapost.news.
Jingrakhe lehkmen blaisi jong kiba karbi ya jingdap sanpo Snem seng All Meghalaya Karbi Association AMKA ne jingrakhe kata jubili ksiar kala poino mynta sngi syaka bakun daki program bapher ki bla pelong hapo gini kala sngi Haba Pynkut no ya jubili ksiar lawan bersaki do Myntri Rangbah ka jela Meghalaya Conrad Sangma kungsan hak jingdon lang UMLA Nongpoh uba Mayralborn Syiem usembut kungsan berkentub ru UMLA ka mauti uba Charles Marngar uba Isynei Hinge EM ka KCC ka Rona Khymdeit MDC Nongpoh Avijit Kro Deputy Chairman ka KAAC Robert Jones Ronghang President ka AMKA lembar kuwi kinoilam ka AMKA bat kipat karbi na keleng ibenta jong ka jela Meghalaya Kuman pensa jingkan mau ya kene kesngi Rakhe jubili ksiar hakene kesngi kinong ilam ka AMKA kilabu do mau tablet ben pensa 6 hakabalayo 4 ban pli da Myntri Rangbah ka jela habar khe kene jubili ksiar kalong ru kesisa jingkan mau hakaba Myntri Rangbah ka jela ula Pynbna ya kasong Pisa ka basan pesan lak menyerap ya ka AMKA bakan thup san lak na ka benta ka jingrakhe ya kene jubili ksiar bat san pula na ka benta ban Isynei ya ka cultural center ka AMKA Nakaliang UMLA ka Nongpoh ru hakani kasi uba Mayralborn Syiem ula IT ni ya ka work order ka basan lak tingka lengba ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund sakino ilam ka AMKA nakabenta bentay Pynbna ya ka auditorium hall ka AMKA ka badon hamuang
Kijui kenduk nakapor syakapor banlong kum ke jingking apadeng jong ki porlok karbi bat ke sorkar lani bat ke district council hagi por ki beladep kiladon ki kep ki bakum kita abang juyo ban syongkai bat i mahe doktor di lapang iju itu syapang ke jing yai lenti abang juyo ban syong bat iba BS teran Ane bujuyo ban syong bat ilet nusa milsing makri kibalong kinong yalam bat kiwi abujuyo ban syongkai ban keren ban kenmau ya kijing ya nanti kamlong ka besuk dengi suk kemenpat bagol Meghalaya Karbi Association kelajam sinjam bandap san po Snem kadi kijing kemen nagamata kijong pi kijong yalang baro ngisak hilang ya kani kesngi kani kesngi kebansa jingken mau na kebenta jumpi bajung ki kun sama ki bidan na kani kapor ki devenship bagane ki jubili haba Pynmi na kani ki jaka haba pilit phai sigi yin ki sem ki snong ki thau ki unit ki jumpi pinra lembat ka kubor ka jingi teli banlong kawe nang ni sakmat Kalong ka bakongsan hadu kata-kata. Bahagano ka kenhun. Agano ka jaj pendriu. Ka jing teli kalong ka bakongsan. Kidan sibun ki kenhun ki bala seng ki bala thum ki bala pat ki bala prat ang siteng por. Kala amade ki jing bisni. Kala amade ki jing wok kejat. Kidan sibun ki dau. Tendring isau komen pat. Baka All Meghalaya Karbi Association Kawai di association ke bala peni yuso jong ke jingi teli kan long kan duksa ka bahatam na ka banta ki long kini ki long pa ki bidan hakini ka por bad ha ju kerpom yang ki khun samla thamtam ya kalawai ka bapernai ka bakin sadon nang ni sakmat ngimla aban klep ya ki achievement layo aban pendon borom kisngi ki bala dep ya gitu ki bala nos nyang ki bala contribute kala bande ki mlang salang kala bande kum ki officer sarkar kala bande khamta me jingila kai sports Bhoi district sport association ke baju mi khmat ya ki kamile kai sport syaka jilla na kapor ngi ju saki ki babun ki atlet ki nong ile kai kiba juara ïaka nam kaburam ïaka tem Bhoi ke jongi kide ke perlop Karbi. Members of the All Meghalaya Karbi Association, on this momentous occasion of celebrating 50 years of the All Meghalaya Karbi Association, I also take this moment to congratulate and to remember and also to appreciate the contributions that have been made by the past presidents, general secretaries, members, advisors of the AMKA, because of whom the organization is where it is today and has immensely contributed towards the overall development, the protection, the cultural aspects, and different traditions of the Karbi people, especially those who are living in our state of Meghalaya. The endeavor of the past governments, the endeavor of this government to ensure that we are able to carry along every single community with us as we move forward. We heard Mr. Pankaj Rabah speaking earlier, and he is the General Secretary of the Meghalaya Indigenous Scheduled Tribe Forum, and also working very closely with the Rabah Association in different parts of the state. And he will tell you that in the last 7 years of this government, in every single situation and circumstance, from development perspective to different programs like these that we're having today, to law and order situation, to situations where some communal tension was building up, Mr. Pankaj Rabah has direct access to Conrad Sangma, to Chief Minister. And giving that importance to every single community to ensure the protection is given. A small example of how with the Rabah community, in the last 7 years, I've been engaging on a one-to-one basis. Whether it is the cultural centers that they have requested, I have sanctioned. Whether it's the different offices for the Rabah Association, I have sanctioned. Whether it is for programs like these and financial support, I have supported them. Whether it is small issues and problems they face on a day-to-day basis, we are there to take care and to give them a sense of protection and support that they expect from the government. Similarly, from the Hajong community, we are building up the Hajong Cultural Center in Garo Hills. The Hajong Association approached me. And in the past, I'm not saying they were not given, but the kind of support that they're getting today may be much more than what it was in the past. The Coach Association had approached me for support for different office structures for different programs. Similarly, support has been given to them also. Friends, what I'm trying to tell you, that it is not just words. It is not just because this program is happening today that I'm here giving this speech of inclusivity. But we are practicing what we preach by ensuring that the support is given to different communities in our state. Again, a very dear friend, very good in his speech, you can see. He knows how to speak and knows how to convince people. We were having a little chit-chat before he came on stage to give his speech. And he requested me that this program has been going on for 3 days now. And there's not much support that has been given from the government or from different sources except from his personal level. And he requested in his very soft voice and convincing voice, and convinced me that I should support this program also. So I would like to announce that I will be giving from my Chief Minister's special grant, which is meant for only this program. I would like to give 5 lakh rupees as grant to support this particular program, this Golden Jubilee program that you are having. Number 2, personally feel is something that is important. I have always stressed that without culture, without tradition, without the different dances, without the different clothes, we are nobody. We are just like anybody else. It is our culture that gives us the identity that we have today as Khasis, as Garos, as Rabas, Koch, Hajong, or Karbis. And therefore, I've been supporting our Rabha brothers and sisters, Hajong, Koch, even the Man Association has approached me, and we're helping each one of them. And therefore, taking a cue again from our local MLA, I would like to announce that I will be giving 50 lakhs for the cultural center to be built. We will see how it goes. And as we move along, if more support is required, I assure the President and Secretary and the Association, we will continue to support you. And we will give the necessary funds in order to be able to revive, to keep the culture, to be able to protect it, to be able to allow our youngsters to continue this culture, to learn, to practice, and keep that identity, which is what makes you Karbis.
Meghalaya Post.news